The World Intellectual Property Organization, which is a part of the United Nations, established in 1967 with 193 member states worldwide, decides on a theme for each year's World Intellectual Property Day. For World IP Day 2022, the theme is IP and Youth, Innovating for a Better Future. I love that youth innovators are being celebrated this year on World IP Day. This sector of our society has an extraordinary ability to identify problems, pain points, and develop creative solutions to address them. Much of IP is geared to do just that, finding solutions. Sometimes we get stuck in the "this is how it's always been" mentality, and young minds challenge us to get out of our own heads and innovate. But creativity isn't contrary to practicality. Creating comes with risks, not only in the execution, but in the protection of the innovations. IP must be guarded by the rights granted through trademarks, copyrights, patents, and the knowledge of how to protect your IP sits side by side with innovation. Creators need to take the time to understand the mechanics of protecting their creations, which include enforcing their rights. Today, we are excited to welcome you to World IP Day 2022, Youth and Entrepreneurs. Stay tuned to learn more about the creative journeys and the practical steps that you can take to protecting your innovations.
On behalf of the Center for Anti-Counterfeiting and Product Protection, welcome to World IP Day 2022. My name is Carrie Camel. I'm the Assistant Director for Education and Outreach at the A-CAPP Center. And we're really excited to be able to present this event today focused on youth and entrepreneurs and their experiences with intellectual property.
My name is Ahmet Kırca, and I'm the Director of the International Business Center MSU Cyber at Broad College, Michigan State University.
Hello, I'm Mike Ball, a Special Agent with Homeland Security Investigations, HSI, and the National IPR Center.
The A-CAPP Center is a multidisciplinary research-based hub at Michigan State University that focuses on helping those in the brand protection community, whether that is a brand, which could be a small business ready to start and sell their products in a store or even online, to big multinational enterprises that are selling globally.
In the International Business Center, our primary focus is to connect the Broad College and Michigan State University with the rest of the state and the country to help small and medium-sized companies expand internationally. International trade and international business, that's our primary focus, and to enhance the global competitiveness of U.S. businesses.
Are you a small business owner, or do you have the next big idea in the making? If so, you're going to need protection for your intellectual property. For help protecting your intellectual property, you've come to the right place. The IPR Center leads the U.S. government's efforts to stop global IP theft and protect small brands like yours.
As coming from a family of entrepreneurs, I know how important it is for those who are starting their own business to protect their intellectual property, to protect those ideas that they've come up with, that passion that they have for their own business. It is really important, and I'm really excited to be a part of this event today. And I'm excited that the center is able to host this event for all of you out there who are interested in learning more about intellectual property beyond just what is a patent, a trademark, a copyright, but how to actually protect your product when someone starts infringing upon it.
We're here to provide resources, free of charge, to help entrepreneurs protect their business against IP theft, fraud, trade secret violations, and cybersecurity intrusions. You know, an average of 99% of small businesses in the U.S. typically do not have the resources needed to protect their intellectual property. As business owners, we understand that you've worked hard to develop and sell your products and innovations. We want to help you protect your name, brand, and reputation.
In international business, this is a very important topic because whenever you cross borders, small and medium-sized companies have to deal with these intellectual property issues, and we're happy to sponsor this event.
With more than 6 million entrepreneurs and business owners in the U.S. under the age of 35, this year's World IP Day is focused on young entrepreneurs, and the IPR Center is here to help you succeed.
You are not alone in this journey, that almost every business out there who has developed a great product and a great brand is probably going to be copied at some point or have theft of their intellectual property. And to let you all know that there are plenty of resources out there from our partners at the event today, whether it's the IPR Center or the International Business Center at Michigan State, or from the A-CAPP Center, or from a whole host of other organizations that can provide resources for you to help protect your brand either at no cost or minimal cost.